but it's 4:30 and it's snack time. Anyway, into the introduction. Welcome back to my channel. So it's really good. Are you kidding me? So yeah, please excuse my husband. So I think you need to open that window. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then a warm welcome to my channel. Actually we all need something warm right now because it's super cold in Chennai, and if you hear any banging noise or any construction noise in the background, I'm really sorry for that because there is a construction going on behind my house. And it's going to be super silent because I don't have the AC or the fan switched on right now because it's super cold, and that's why I'm wearing something nice and warm for the video. So yeah, I have been MIA for the past 2 weeks because we were celebrating we in the sense me and my husband, we were celebrating our second wedding anniversary, and we also had Diwali. So I just wanted to take a nice break. I didn't want to keep vlogging everything that's happening in my life. Just wanted to give my husband also a nice break from the camera. So yeah, this week, as you would have already seen from the thumbnail, I'm going to share with you all my favorite items for this month, particularly November, I would say, because all these items I have been using this month in particular. And it's not going to be just items, they're going to be random products, there's going to be books, there's going to be shows and movies that I watched this month. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, as usual, subscribe to my channel, click on that red subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first category is I didn't really have any category to categorize these products, so I'm just going to categorize them as random products. So these are going to be random products that I really loved this month. So the first one is actually a surprise. It's the customized cupcakes that I actually ordered for my husband as a surprise for our anniversary. So usually we order cakes and stuff, we customize gifts, but I wanted to do something different. So I met up with this, not meet, but I met this sorry, not Instagram, a home baker on Instagram. It's Fantastic Bakes, and she's based in Chennai, Anna Nagar, and her name is Vaishali. She's a very sweet girl, and I got in touch with her and I told her this is my idea, so I'm trying to customize cupcakes for our anniversary. And she was very sweet. She listened to all my ideas and she told this would work, this might not work, and she also gave in her inputs, and finally we were able to I think decide on 9 cupcakes with 9 different toppers. So toppers were basically customized according to what I had in mind. So I as you would already see, see right now, there was a car cupcake that indicated that represented how much me and Gautam love car rides, and there is a cake cupcake with our school emblem on it because that's where everything started. So each cupcake had a story going behind it, and it was really sweet of her to do all this. They're very affordable, they're super yummy, trust me, they're super yummy. And yeah, she has a lot of flavors, she has a lot of options, not just cupcakes. She customizes cakes to any shapes and sizes that you want, and they're really affordable and really yummy. But if you are in Chennai and if you're looking for affordable cupcakes or cake customization, then do give her account a check because she's super awesome. So the next random product that me and my husband have been loving this month, I need to include my husband in this because yeah, he's been loving it more than me. So it is this scented candle from Miniso. So recently, I think a week or a week and a half back, we went to VR Mall Chennai. It's the biggest mall in Chennai, and we just wanted to check it out. Don't worry, we were careful. So wherever there was crowd, we were not even going there. So we went into Miniso, and trust me, I've been to a lot of Minisos, and this was by far the biggest Miniso I've ever been to. So it was really nice, and we finally got this scented candle. So the flavor that we've got is delicate lavender. So they have a lot of flavors in this, lot of variations in this, and you also have like a small opening here where you can just, open it and you can smell the candle from here, because it's obviously going to be closed, so you really can't open the box and smell the candle directly. So they have this tester option for every box. So we really like this variant. They had peach, they had vanilla latte, they had rose, they had forest green. So many flavors were there, and we really liked delicate lavender, and it's a pretty big candle actually for the price that we paid. So we paid only $190 for this, and it's a pretty, okay, the smell is so good. So it's a pretty decent sized candle, and it comes in a glass container. This is how the candle looks like. It's white inside, and it smells so amazing. So how we use this is, my husband meditates every morning and evening if possible, but mostly every morning he meditates. Yes, you have a wife like me, you gotta meditate. So jokes apart, he meditates every day for mental health, and I told him, why don't you try a candle like this, a scented candle like this, and he was the one who picked up this variant, and he really loves it. So yeah. The next random product is again something that I picked up from Miniso. It is their neck pillow. So as weird as it sounds, no, we're not traveling anywhere. We just got it because my husband every now and then gets this bad neck pain because he sits for 9 to 10 hours every day. So we wanted to get something like this. We were looking for a lot of options, but they were all either too expensive or really not worth the price that we were ready to pay. So we went to Miniso, and again they have a large variety of neck pillows. You can just go there and check it for yourself. They have multiple colors, they have multiple cushions, they have multiple sizes, and the variety is just endless. It's like a whole shelf from the roof to the ground. So we picked up this denim blue neck pillow, and it's super soft. It's filled with those beads. It's not a pillow, it's filled with those beads, and it's super comfortable. So we got this so that he can use this. I want to sleep. So we got this so that he can use this while we're watching some series or anything, so that even if we are sitting for a long time, his neck might not pain. So that's the reason we got this, and he's been loving it. So yeah, I wanted to mention it in this month's video because I've been loving it too. I was the one who chose this variety, and he was the one who chose the color. So yeah, a big thumbs up for this because it's only 350 rupees. Can you believe it? A neck pillow for 350 rupees. So do give it a try if you ever visit Miniso. Check out their neck pillows because they're super awesome. So the next item is actually a food item, and I do like, okay, so basically it's Greek yogurt, and it's Greek yogurts from Epigamia because they are my absolute favorites. There are Greek yogurts from a lot of brands out there, but Epigamia tastes amazing. It is a little expensive, so this Chotu yogurt dabba will cost you 45 bucks, so it's not really cost effective, but it tastes super good, and Greek yogurt in general is really beneficial for your health. Please excuse me, I'm really hungry. So the flavor that I'm eating right now is Alfonso mango, but I'm not here to talk about Alfonso mango. Recently Epigamia came up with these coconut milk based yogurts. So basically Greek yogurts are nothing but a different kind of a yogurt that's again made with cow's milk, but coconut milk based yogurts are vegan, so it doesn't have any animal products in it. So if you are vegan and if you really wanted to try Greek yogurts, then Epigamia has come up with 3 amazing flavors. So there's natural, there's one with coconut sugar in it, and my absolute favorite flavor is blueberry. Oh my god, it is so amazing, it's so yummy. I'm actually salivating as I'm talking about it, but it's super yummy. I don't have it with me, unfortunately, because it's over in the store as well. So yeah, leave a link of it in the description box below. It's not just available in Chennai, it's available worldwide. So if you want to try something new and something healthy, do give this a try, because you'll thank me later. They're super yummy. So yeah, check it out. So the next category I wanted to talk about is my favorite restaurant. So in the starting of November, I think November 1st if I'm not wrong, we visited a restaurant called Cafe de Bangkok. It's in Nandanam in Chennai, and it's a Thai restaurant. So this was my first conscious Thai restaurant visit, and it was amazing. I think we went on Halloween if I'm not wrong. So the whole restaurant was decked up for Halloween. They had skulls and bats and pumpkins and ghosts hanging here and there, and the staff were super good. You have to check out their bubble tea. Oh my god, I had bubble tea after a long time and it was so amazing. I actually ordered bubble tea and my husband didn't order anything for dessert, and he tasted my bubble tea and he was like, I think I have a little more space for dessert, why don't I order a bubble tea just for myself, selfish bugger. So yeah, it was that amazing. The location is really good, the restaurant itself was really nice, the ambience was really good, and the food is amazing. The food is so good. You definitely need to check it out if you're in Chennai. I wouldn't say it's too steep, like it's not too expensive, but it's not too cheap as well. The rates are pretty good, pretty affordable, and there are a lot of options. Oh my god, lot of options to eat. So we ordered a lot of sides, and I think we only ended up ordering one main dish, and we couldn't finish that main dish and we had to parcel it and bring it back home. It was that amazing. So if you are in Chennai, do give this restaurant a check, because it's super amazing. I've said amazing like a zillion times. Really sorry for that, but do check out this restaurant because it's super good. So next category is my favorite books. So if you don't know about me, I am a bookworm. You can call me book anaconda because the worm is so small. I gobble up books, like I breathe books. It's like that. And I think my husband, more than shopping for dresses and stuff for me, I think he'll end up shopping more books for me in a year. He'll end up spending more by shopping books for me in a year, because that's how many books I own and that's how many books I would love to read, because I am a book anaconda, like I just said. So yeah, I finished 2 books and I am currently reading 2 more books. So maybe you will see those 2 books the next month's favorites if they're good enough to mention. But yeah, I finished 2 books. So the first one is A Curse So Dark and Lonely by Brigid Kemmerer. I don't know, Brigid Kemmerer, I think, if I'm not wrong. So it is a retelling of The Beauty and the Beast. So if you're a Beauty and the Beast fan, then this is one of its retellings. It's just told in a different shade, in a different perspective. So do give this a read because it's so amazing. It actually has 2 books in the series. So I forgot the book 2 name. I finished that as well, but I forgot it. Really sorry for that. But yeah, this is the first book, and it finishes in such a cliffhanger, like you won't be able to wait to buy the next book and read it. So if you're going to read this book, and it's super amazing, if you're going to read this book, I would definitely advise you to buy the second book as well together and then read it, because you just won't be able to finish it, like you just won't be able to let go of what's going to happen next. It's that good. And if you really like retellings, then you can definitely give this book a try. It's really good. So the next book I want to mention is The Kingmaker by Kennedy Ryan, if I'm not wrong. So there are a lot of booktubers. So people who give book reviews on YouTube, they're called booktubers. I follow a lot of them. So a lot of the booktubers that I follow kept mentioning Kennedy Ryan every now and then. So I really wanted to check out his work. So this was the first book that I came across, and this was recommended by a lot of booktubers. It's called The Kingmaker. So it is a YA, I won't say fantasy, but it's a YA book. YA is nothing but young adult book. So it's really, really good. Are you kidding me? So yeah, please excuse my husband.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this book is a YA book. It's a young adult book. It has family drama, it has politics, it has love, hate and love relationship. It has everything. It has thriller. It's just packed with stuff. So I devoured this book in a day, and because it was that good, and I couldn't wait to buy the next one. I bought it overnight, and I read the second book the next day on Kindle. So yeah, this was my first book on Kindle as well, because my husband has been bugging me to try ebooks, and this was my first ebook, and I really love it. So I wanted to mention it here. Do give this book a try if you're someone like me who's too romantic at heart and wants to try something different. Do give this book a try because it's super amazing. So the next category I wanted to talk about is my favorite movie. So I did see a couple of movies on Netflix and I didn't really like them, so not going to, it wasn't bad, but it's not that good that I would recommend you guys to also watch. But one movie that I really loved watching was Soorararai Potru. So I'm a Surya fan, and after a long time, trust me, Surya fans will know this, after a long time there's an amazing movie of Surya that's come out. His acting is amazing, and the story itself is really nice. It's a biopic. It's about how Air Deccan or Deccan Airlines came into picture, came into the field, came to public, and the backstory of what happened in his life that he came up with Air Deccan. So yeah, it's really good. It's really inspiring. It's really packed with everything that you want. There's comedy, there's action, there's sentiment, there's like, it's a real life story, so nothing can go wrong with that, right? So yeah, definitely check it out. It's available on Hotstar if I'm not wrong, Prime Video, and it has subtitles as well, so do check it out. Even if you're not a Tamilian, do check out this movie because it's really good. It's definitely going to be worth a watch, so yeah, do check it out. So the last category and my favorite category is here. It's my favorite shows. So I tend to watch a lot of shows on Netflix and Hotstar, but November was kind of a busy month, so I could only watch like 4 shows if I'm not wrong. So the first one is This Is Us. So the season 4 of This Is Us is here. It's premiering right now, and I think 4 episodes are out on Hotstar if I'm not wrong, 5. So yeah, if you've not watched This Is Us, please do watch it. I've recommended it to so many friends and they're in love with it. It's just everything that you would want in a series. It's so good. It makes you feel good, and it's just really nice. It's I don't know what else to say. It's just one of the best series out there. So yeah, do check it out. The season 4 is premiering right now, and yeah, all the seasons are available on Prime if I'm not wrong, and the latest season is available on Hotstar. I will leave a link to all of these in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, if you want to watch any of the series that I'm going to mention here, actually all of them are worth a watch, but if you really want to watch something that I've mentioned here, then do check out This Is Us because it's super good. So the next is my absolute favorite. It's The Crown. If you've lived under the cave and don't know what The Crown is, it's about the British royal family. I'm a big fanatic of British royal family. I love Diana, I love Kate Middleton, and I'm in love with Meghan Markle as well. These are all super strong ladies, and yeah, all those apart. Did I say This Is Us? The Crown, it deals with, it's not dealing with anything basically. It's a story of how the British royalty came into picture, how they came to become so famous, and it is portrayed by, so it's a fictional portrayal of the real characters. Those are still alive and dead. So yeah, it's entirely about the British royal family. So if you really like royal families and if you really like knowing what's going on in their lives on a day-to-day basis, then do give this series a try because they're super amazing. And my favorite Diana is back in this season. So season 4 is out on Netflix, and I just binge watched all the 10 episodes, I think, in 1.5 days. Each episode is like 1 hour long. So I think in 1.5 days I was done with like 10 episodes, and now I'm waiting like when the hell is 5th season gonna come. So it's super amazing. It's super good. It's super good. So do watch it. Watch it. Just watch it and thank me later. So the next series that me and Gautam binge watched and we're done with is Kim's Convenience. So again, this is on Netflix. It's so if you know me personally, you know I'm a big Friends fan. I don't know, people have told me watch Big Bang Theory, watch Modern Family, watch Full House. I really tried watching those, but nothing came close to Friends, for at least for me personally. So Friends is like a benchmark for funny comedy series, and I think Kim's Convenience is almost there. Like, it's still not as close to Friends, but it's almost there. Kim's Convenience is so funny. It's so hilarious. Each episode is just like 20 minutes long, and we just watched like whenever we got time and we were sitting and eating, and when we just had like half an hour of break, we used to put this on Netflix, and we just used to chill. This is one of those series where you just Netflix and chill, right? So this is one of those series you can just enjoy it. It's very breezy, it's very comical, it's very funny, and it does have a backstory going on, but yeah, basically it's really funny. So do give it a try because of all the reasons that I've just mentioned. So yeah, check out this series, and as usual, thank me later. So yeah, those are all my favorites for the month of November, and I hope it was really informative and nice to watch. So if you enjoyed this video, then please do click on the red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. So until next time.